Hi guys, I hope you are very good so far. I'm very excited because I want to talking about Totally Dezzled. They have wonderful product for your DIY project and get it for them. This beautiful bling wrap is so shine, very easy for work. I love it. So this is in rose gold. Okay, and also I'm getting for them this beautiful brush. It's so bling. I love it. You can use for your Christmas tree. This is so beautiful. Actually, it's so pretty, right? And if you want to know more about them, just check it out in my video and Instagram, and also I will leave the link below this video in YouTube. I want to show you something I made with this. I hope you guys enjoy and like it. You can find the all information about them. They have napkin ring, brochure, bling wrap, just in gold, silver, and rose gold. I love Totally Dezzled because they have just everything I want for my DIY project. Just check it out. Love Totally Dezzled like me. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.